Hello, my name is Carrie. Welcome to my tiny little kitchen. I have been cooking.
I'm in my sister's kitchen in Carlsbad, California. We're going to light the burner and we're going to put the heat at a medium-high heat. We're going to make quesadillas with the chicken, the Mexican chicken that we made in the Crockpot is cooked and shredded, and I put it in the refrigerator and brought it down here on ice so that it wouldn't spoil. And now we're going to use that chicken and some grated cheddar cheese to make quesadillas. So I put 2 tablespoons of butter into this large frying pan, and I also put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The two mixed together will keep the butter from burning. We have grated cheddar cheese. You can use cheddar, you could use jack, you could use a mixture of the two, any cheese that you like. Some people with chicken tostadas or quesadillas like to use Gouda cheese. We're using flour tortillas. And if you cannot buy flour tortillas where you live, I will be showing you in a future video how to make them from scratch. My cousin Brenda grew up in Canada, and whenever she wanted to make Mexican food, this was over 30 years ago, she would have to first make the tortillas because the stores in Canada back then did not carry tortillas. So once our butter and oil have heated up and we can get a nice sizzle on the pan, we'll put our tortillas and cheese and chicken in the pan and make our quesadillas. Our butter and oil are warm enough now to put our first tortilla in. So we'll put the tortilla in the pan. Then we're going to put on one side, or one half of the tortilla, we're going to spread some shredded chicken. And now we'll sprinkle some cheese on top of that. You could use vegetables for your quesadilla. You can use meat. You could do just a variety of cheeses. Really, it's whatever you have on hand that you want to make your quesadilla with that will work. And I'm going to use my pancake turner to fold my tortilla in half. And then we'll place another tortilla on the opposite side. Some chicken and some cheese. We'll fold this tortilla in half. So we have 2 nice, plump-filled quesadillas cooking in our pan. We'll let those fry. We want to get them nice and crispy on the outside and everything on the inside heated completely. So let's check the bottom of our tortilla and see if it's finished cooking. Oh yes, it's nice and crispy and golden. That looks perfect. Our other one might be ready too. Oh, if you're not careful, some of the filling will fall out. We don't want that to happen. Oh yes, that one's nice and crisp. After the bottom side finishes cooking, we're going to place the quesadillas on this cutting board lined with paper towels, and that will absorb any extra butter or oil from the tortillas before we serve them. If you're making a lot of quesadillas, you can turn your oven on low and place the quesadillas that are finished in the oven while you finish making the other quesadillas in your pan, so you can serve them all at once. Let's check. I don't think it will be ready yet, but we'll check the bottom side. And it needs a little bit longer to cook. When these come out of the pan, we'll put more butter and oil in for our next quesadilla. So our quesadillas are continuing to cook. Pretty soon they'll be toasty on both sides. Let's check and see if this one's ready. A little bit longer. I'd like it a little bit crispier. This is a very nice stainless steel frying pan. It's working very nicely. See how this one's doing. Okay. I'm going to flip it over so you can see how beautifully golden that is. Perfect. This one I still want to cook for a little while longer. I want to thank you for watching my channel. And please remember to always season everything that you do with love. This is my brother-in-law Milton, wonderful Puerto Rican brother-in-law. Woohoo, Puerto Rico! And my wonderful American husband Greg. There's Greg. And they each have a piece of quesadilla. Milton has sour cream on his. And are you guys hungry?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Bon appetit. Buen provecho. Bye-bye.